Hi, I'm Rebecca Brayton and welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we'll be showing you the top 5 things you should know about Windows 8.
First thing you see when you unlock your PC is your start screen. And your start screen is not just a sea of static app icons. They're actually tiles, and we call them live tiles. The reason why we call them live tiles is simply because these tiles are alive. They're feeding us with real information. So this is the new start screen that I was talking about. It's colorful, it's personalized with my favorite apps. I've got my favorite people as well pinned here, and my favorite websites that I have here. Now the next thing I can do is I can pinch and see an all-up view of my start screen. I can navigate quickly through it. I can also notice I've grouped them in different groups, my tiles. I can move them around by groups and place them wherever I want. I simply pinch back to zoom in, and I can flick through my tile here. Also, what you can do with a tablet or a PC is go back to the desktop mode that you're comfortable with and that you've used in the past with previous generations of Windows. If I go back to my start screen, you'll notice a tile that says desktop. If I tap on it, I go back to my desktop mode, which I'm familiar with. Now, when you're using touch, you can swipe from any sides of your tablet, whether it's the right side, the left side, the top, or down. And each side has a specific feature or function that will allow you to do different things. Multitask, open the system commands, or open up the app commands. This is the People app, for example. If I want to multitask, I can simply flick through previous apps that I had open, snap them on the side here, and I've got 2 apps running side by side. If I want to change the ratio, I simply do this. There we go. If you're not comfortable with your fingers and you want the precision of a mouse, you can always use a mouse and a keyboard wherever you are, whether you're on the desktop environment or the modern Windows 8 environment. So if you want to be fully productive and use legacy apps, desktop apps similar to Microsoft Office, plug in a mouse, plug in a keyboard, and there you go. You can open up Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and actually start working. Windows 8 comes pre-installed on a wide variety of form factors, starting with the tablets, the notebooks, that some are touch-enabled, or even convertibles that can convert from a tablet into a traditional notebook. You have your cover that's also a keyboard. You have a trackpad, so you have mouse gestures as well, and all-in-one, so bigger form factors that sit on your desks and that are actually touch-enabled as well.